Plug-in number 1 truck CB sales here with a quick little tune-up report for Bryan down in Florida on this Cobra 29 LTD Classic. Bryan, appreciate your repeat business. You ordered this up over with just the basic tuning line. We did just that. So let's just show you what we got here. 25 watt slug. It's in at 3 watts there on carrier. Show you average power swing. Hello. 6.5, 7 bird. 50 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 34, 35 PEP. So it'll have some good modulation for you. It'll do what you want to do with it. And man, I appreciate it. We'll send it out to you in your friend truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.